Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out which apps or games have gone free in App Store of iPhone, iPad and Mac computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application name as Appstore. On the first you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see here tons of applications. So you can see here on sale. So you can see some have gone free. So you can see the price of the respective application and they have gone free for a limited time. And below you can see some app discounts. As you can see from the earlier price, it has decreased to this price. So there are tons more. So you can click on the see all and now you can see here all the app deals. So say you want to get this respective application for free, just click on this free. Now click on this free again. Now you can see here there is a get option. That means this application has completely gone free. Now if I click on this get, so you can see here it's downloading and installing. It has installed successfully. So similarly, you can select the respective application that has gone free, or you can purchase some decreased price apps or games also, whichever you want. So below you can see there are new releases also. You can pre-order some application or games also. So recently updated, you can see all. On above here there are some promoted deals. So by using this website named as Appstore, you can easily find out which apps or games have gone free in App Store of iPhone, iPad and Mac computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.